Give me a hand, Leo.
After the spectacular prison escape 2 nights ago. The fugitives are still at large and considered highly dangerous. The state police put out a warning today, urging every law-abiding citizen within a 50-mile radius of the prison.
Don't you worry, honey. Those two fools come around here. They'll get a taste of old Betsy.
Hey, I say we take them out. Are you crazy? It's an old couple. We can't do that. I don't mean it like that, man. I mean, we tied them up or something. We really need to change clothes. We can't walk around like this. I don't like it. It's better to get them out of the house. What you have in mind? See that barn over there? Yeah? We release the horses. Release the horses? How's that gonna help? Trust me. They'll be forced to go get them back. I don't know, man. Okay, then. The front door should be on the other side. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Hey, stay low. Okay, Vincent got their attention. I should find a way to ambush them.
Get back! Who the hell are you? Honey, stay back and call the cops. Don't move a muscle, you scum. Stay right there.
Someone's at the door.
We're not expecting anyone. Honey, come with
me. I might be able to grab the lady while Leo keeps them distracted.
Get back! Who the hell are you? Honey, stay back and call the cops.
He's got me!
Get your hands up! Damn criminal! You're gonna pay for this.
Careful, honey.
Just calm down. You're gonna be fine.
They can't get away with this. Look at us.
We're not gonna hurt you, I promise. We'll be out of here in no time.
Damn criminals.
All right, let's find some new clothes. Yeah, and I saw a truck in the other barn. We should check it out. Good idea. I've never really been a hat man. Let's get a fire going. Hey, Leo, there's a wardrobe here. Let's change. I can't believe these were actually used in wars. Fuck.
I knew it. It's only decorative.
I was there. Damn it. Go!
Nice.
Fuck.
Damn it.
My wife always says that I don't
For the
look
love
good
of
at ads. Let's prove her wrong.
Right?
I look like a hillbilly.
Oh, come on.
I always wanted to learn how to sew.
God damn it.
Damn, this is a big-ass gun.
What a
Ah,
throw.
shit. It's not working.
Yes. A perfect throw. I'm the champion. Oh, shit. Goddamn cat. A gas canister. I bet it still has some gas.
Shit!
I rock. Crap. Boom!
Some help, please?
Oh my God, it's a piece of junk.
It's not that bad.
What do you mean it's not that bad? Hey, it's even missing a wheel.
Nah, I'm sure there's a spare around here somewhere.
I don't know, man.
It's not like we have a choice. Sherby's running on foot. Let's fix it up and we'll be out of here in no time.
All right, fine. Looks like the battery is out of juice. Hey, Vincent. I see a tire over there. Let's find a way to get up there.
It's filled up with gas. Wonder if it will start. Not gonna work.
We could use this to fasten a new tire. I bet we can use this to lift the car. We'll need a new tire. Let's look around and see what we can find. All right, now it's attached. We just need to find a lug wrench to fasten it. Okay, done. Now we need something to lift up the pickup to remove the support. Ah, it's stuck. Guess we need to lift up the car before removing this. Great. The car has 4 wheels now. That's a good start.
Whoa! What happened? Did you let go?
I didn't let go. Did you let go?
Whatever. Let's go get it.
Let's chop some wood.
Leo, try starting the car now. Nah. The battery seems dead.
It's connected. Try to start the car now. Oh, shit. It actually worked, this piece of junk.
Yeah, I told you so.
You did, but still, I was in doubt.
Sometimes you just gotta have a little faith in things, Leo.
Faith, huh?
Yeah, well, let's get out of here.
Yes? No, I don't know. It was a while ago. We need your help now, officer. Okay, hurry up, please. Absolutely. Thank you.
Are the police on their way yet?
Yes, they'll be here any minute.
Okay, I'll go take care of them.
No, just stay here.
It's all right. Just wait here. I'll be fine. Filthy scum!
Oh, shit! Take cover!
You're gonna pay for this!
Come on, let's go!
Yeah.
You got it!
Come on, come on. Yeah.
Come on! Go, 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 go!
Damn it!
Hey, Basic! We've got cops coming! Step on it! Can't this piece of shit go any faster?
Just sit down, Leo! You're gonna fall off!
All right, here we go!
Here they Scum! Hold on back there!
Just focus on driving, man! I'll keep them off our backs! Faster, faster!
Oh shit! This is gonna be tight! That was a close one! What happened? You okay?
I'm fine, keep going! I'm not giving us that easy! Come on!
Yeah! Hold on back there! Where did all these cars come from? Out of the way!
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Spikes are out! We got him now! All units from south to the bridge!
Stop! You're under arrest!
Stay where you are!
Freeze! You okay?
Stop!
Yeah! Let's go, come on!
Get those bastards! Come on! Go!
Mission run! We can't stay here!
More of them! Get to the boat over there!
Vince?
Come on, go! Push! Push!
Where the hell does this river take us?
I have no idea, but the further away, the better.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
All right, start rowing. We need to get going.
Hey, Vincent.
Yeah?
I think I saw something in the water.
It's probably a shark, Leo.
What do you mean? There are no sharks in this water.
How do you know?
It's sweet water.
You're a clever guy, Leo.
But I really saw something, though. Probably a fish.
Yeah, whatever. A fish.
Probably salmon.
You know what? It could have been a crocodile.
Seriously? I don't like crocodile.
Well, watch out then.
Hey, Vincent,
Yeah?
you think there are any bears in these woods?
There are probably bears in these waters, Leo.
Ha! Like I'd believe that.
Looks like our peaceful boat ride is over. Some rough streams ahead.
Chat for the rock. Hold on.
Hey, watch out. Some rough streams up ahead.
Wouldn't it be faster if I just jumped in and swam?
Yeah, sure. You try that. I'll just stay in the boat.
I think we're through the worst of it. The rest is just a smooth ride.
I think you spoke too soon, Leo. Look straight ahead.
Holy shit! Ah! Whoa! See that?
Go to the right. Paddle, paddle, damn it.
Waterfall! Waterfall!
We're not done yet.
Watch out for that rock! Watch out! The fuck? Vincent!
Yeah!
I'm coming!
All right!
You okay?
I'm okay.
Let's get out of here.
All right.
What of you, huh?
Yeah. So? What happens now?
Look. I know what you're thinking. But going after Harvey won't be easy.
I know. But I'm going after him, with or without you.
You want to end up dead?
I want him gone. He's a cold-blooded killer. The world's gonna be a better place without him. You never told me, Leo. What is your story with Harvey?
Before I got busted, me and Harvey made a huge score.
Bank job?
No. You ever heard of a Black Orlov?
Are you serious? The diamond? How the hell did you pull that off?
A lot of planning and a bit of luck.
So what happened?
Everything was going our way. We even had a buyer. But that greedy fuck had other plans.
It's all there. Count it.
Looks about right.
Of course it is. You can always trust me.
I'm not trusting nobody, my friend. Here you go. What do you think?
It's heavier than I thought.
It is.
Pleasure doing business with you guys.
You too.
Give me the case!
What the fuck are you doing?
Give me the fucking case, Leo! Hand it over, now! It's nothing personal, it's just business. Give me the briefcase.
Next thing I know, I'm surrounded by cops.
That's rough. I'm sorry.
Oh, trust me. He's the one who's gonna be sorry. I'm making things right. For me. And for my family.
So do you know where Harvey is right now?
I know one of his guys, Ray. He'll know for sure.
So? What are we waiting for? Let's go after him.
You really want to take Harvey down, huh?
Like I said, with or without you, I'm going after him.
Okay.
All right. Where can we find this Ray guy?
Don't worry, he's gonna be easy to find. But I need to make sure my family's safe first.
Of course.
Let's go.
Don't go too far, Alex.
Mom? Mom!
What is it, honey? What's wrong? Oh, shit. Alex? Alex!
Leo, can I ask you something personal?
Yeah, sure.
How do you and your wife manage to stay together in this line of work?
We've always been together. You know, she knows me better than I know myself. I was 12 when we met at the orphanage.
Orphanage?
You could say that my parents didn't do their job.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Don't be. I barely remember them. Besides, I was fortunate enough to have Linda. She was crazy. You know, we used to run away together. Steal ice cream, cigarettes, shit. It's always been us against the world. Still is, no matter what. That's just how it is.
Sounds great.
All right, keep an eye out for my family. It's a woman and a boy, about this size.
You don't know where they live?
They had to move while I was inside.
I see.
Let's just have a look around.
I'm sure we'll find them.
Yeah.
Life looks rough out of here.
You got that right.
Never actually set foot in a place like this before.
Oh, yeah? Mr. Fancy Pants with a college degree and a banking job?
Not like any of that helped. I'm here with you now.
Should be happy. I'm great to be around.
Keep telling yourself that. Anyway, let's find your family.
Hey, Leo, I think I see your kid down there. Let's check it out.
Vincent, help me out. I need help here. Hey, Linda! Over here!
Leo! Hey!
Cops.
Afternoon, ma'am. Everything all right around here?
What do you want?
Mind if we ask you a few questions?
Yeah, I do mind. I'm kind of busy here.
Ma'am, your husband is broken out of prison.
Stop calling me ma'am, okay? I have no clue where he is.
Listen, if he tries to make contact with you, you let us know.
Yeah, sure. Goodbye.
We should be fine now.
All right.
We good?
Of course we are. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good. Hey, Alex! Look who's here!
Alex! Hey, buddy.
Don't worry, Leo. He's just a little bit upset.
He found out?
Yeah, he saw it in the papers.
Oh, shit.
It's okay, baby. Come here. So, is this the guy?
Yeah, this is, Vincent.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Hey.
Linda, I need to tell you what's going down.
Yes, but first, you need to go talk to Alex.
Of course.
Oh, fuck. Not focused today.
Hey, Alex.
Leave me alone.
It was all right. Well, it works.
Hey, I could use your help. Can you get something for me?
You needed help with something?
Yeah, I do. Grab me a wrench from the shed over there, please.
Absolutely, ma'am. Here you go, ma'am.
Thanks.
All right.
Want to start it up for me?
Yeah, I could do that.
Go ahead.
Come on, buddy. Come on, just let me up. Alex. Hey. What's this? Hey, look, your sign is broken. Why don't you come down and help me fix it? No? All right. Don't worry, I'll fix it for you. Let's see. I think I'm gonna need a hammer. Oh, this sign is beautiful. Alex, you should come down and see it. I love you, buddy. I love you so much.
You wanna play some basketball?
Sure. But you know I'm better than you at basketball, right?
No, you're not.
Yes I am. You wanna shoot some hoops?
That could be fun, but maybe we should get going.
Oh, come on, just one game?
Come on, Vincent.
Okay, guys, one game.
Get ready to lose, boy.
I'm gonna win.
Ah, you know I'll win.
Are you guys ready?
Oh, we're ready. Let's go.
Okay. Daddy, pass it to me.
Scoring like Abdul-Jabbar. Right in the net.
Vincent, pass the ball.
Alex, here you go.
Daddy, pass it to me.
Catch, buddy.
Vincent, pass the ball. Daddy, pass it to me. Daddy, pass it to me. Daddy, pass it to me. Yay, I scored!
You're good, Alex. Really good.
You think?
Yeah, you should become a pro.
Really?
I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay. You're a natural talent. You're way better than us two.
I'm gonna be the best.
Hey, beautiful.
Hey. Well, would you look at that? You guys seem to be getting along all right.
We are. But I need to get going soon.
Yeah, I know. I'm just happy to see him smile again.
Yeah, me too.
Come on, let's talk.
So, this is home now?
Not for long. If the cops found us, then Harvey could too. We gotta get moving.
You know what? Let's just leave. Let's get out of here.
And you really think Harvey will leave us alone?
That murdering bastard. How the fuck could I trust him?
It is what it is. This is the life we chose, Leo. Let's just deal with it.
Yeah. I'm gonna set things right. I'm going after Harvey. He's not gonna get away with this. Linda, any idea where Ray is?
Ray, what do you want with that asshole?
I need to find him. I'm sure he knows where Harvey's hiding. Have you seen him lately?
Yeah, he's working at that new construction site downtown.
Okay, good. I need you to be ready to leave the country as soon as I'm back.
Don't worry about that, I'll take care of it. You just make sure to get back safe, okay?
Yeah,
No, don't just yeah me. Get back safe or I'll kick your ass.
okay, I promise. By the way, do you still have that piece?
I do. Wait. Here you go.
I love you.
I love you too.
Did you see my shots?
Yeah, you were really good. Like I said, you're a real pro.
You think?
Nice going, buddy. Look, I have to leave now.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. But you take care of your mom now, all right?
Can't we play one more game?
Next time, I promise. Now, come on, give me a hug. All right, buddy. Go to your mom now.
Okay.